Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again, Tahani, Sims and more. So today we're going to organize the stuff packs that I like from the Sims from 1 to 18th. Yeah, and I've used a website called WordWall. It's really cool, check it out. You know, where you can make games and stuff, you can organize it. So it was useful here. So before we start, I'd like to tell you there's affiliate links below each video of my channel if you guys like to check it out, and I hope you guys subscribe and like and share and ring the bell. You know, you help a lot. So yeah, and basically there's a lot of stuff packs into Sims. So yeah, tried my best to make it like short as I can, explaining each one and why I liked it. Number 1 is going to be Nifty Ink. I really love this pack because I love to crochet, and so of course I'm gonna like this pack the most because you can do and create a lot of cute things, and the colors are adorable. There's like toys, clothes, things that you hang up, you can knit. Okay, yeah, and as you see, there's a lot of cute things, and also you can sell them on Pipsy by your phone. Okay, when you make a lot of them, you can make money, and you know, and you can also sell them different ways, of course. And as you see, he got too much stuff, so he started to sell them by his laptop, of course, here. Okay, so I really loved it. The things are adorable, the colors, it's adorable. And then number 2 is going to be Pyronormal. This stuff pack, I really loved it because basically you're dealing with spirits, and the spirits are cute. There's like so many kinds. There's the good spirits and bad spirits. So, and there's a new career with this too. For a stuff pack, having a new career, it's cool. You know, the career is, you're basically checking out what's going on with these spirits and helping the people, you know, to solve their problem and dealing with them. So yeah, they do get scared, these Sims. It's cool, you know, to see a haunted house. This is a new trait for the house, that you can have it haunted. So it's cool. I loved it. It's really nice if you want to make a scary house and stuff like that, you know. And this ghost here comes out and help if you need the help, you know. And here they're calling for the ghosts. So I love this pack for number 2. So check it out. And I hope you guys leave comments below and share with us your guys' best stuff packs and what did you guys like. And this is that scary doll. And sometimes, yeah, you give them presents and you have to do a lot of cleaning and talking to that Reaper. So yeah, now number 3, it's going to be the toddler stuff. I love little babies. They're so cute. So of course I love the toddler stuff. Their clothes is adorable, and they got new toys and big toys too that you can put in your backyard, or you can make a playground full of adorable toys, and their clothes are just super cute, and new hairstyles. I loved it. I mean, how can we not love toddler stuff, you know? Hopefully one day we'll get baby stuff too, you know. Hopefully one day we'll get a baby pack. But this is a great pack, you guys. I loved it. So you see, it's so beautiful how they play in these slides, and it's cute. And also they earn imaginations, like while they're playing, they're imagining things. So these are all their clothes and the new stuff and fun to play with. So number 4 is going to be the kids' room. After the toddlers is kids, basically. So yeah, they get new stuff, new toys, and new bedrooms and clothes. So I really loved it too. She's, you know, you can group up her friends and they can play with all this cool stuff and see their new room and make a lot of noise for their daddy, of course. And I really love the new toy thing here is this puppet show they have. I thought it was so cute. You can sit there and watch your kids play, you know. I really loved it. And then it's going to be number 5, backyard. I love the backyard stuff here because of the slides they added. I mean, also the birds I loved. I mean, all these things that they can do with the slide is cool, you know, how once you can fall, you can slide in special ways, like different ways it happens. Also, these birds, they're fun. She was too scared of them, though. Yeah, it's really nice to gather up your family and friends, you know, for a little pool party. And the things are creative and nice colors and stuff, new clothes. Look at her, she's all full of bubbles. So, I loved it. And then we're going to say number 6 is going to be Tiny Living. I also love this pack a lot because of the things are like tiny for little tiny homes. And now you can make little tiny homes and you can get privileges of it. Like, yeah, you make it as amount of special tiles. Yeah, you get things. Your bills, of course, are less and the relationships are becoming better. And your skills are faster for you to learn, you know. Yeah, so small your house is better. Okay, we're going to come for number 7. It's going to be my first pet. You need dogs and cats pet to get this pet. Well, because basically it's adding new clothes for the dogs and cats. And also there are little tiny pets, which is the little hamster, and there's a hashtag, I think, something like that it's called. As you see, different kind of tiny little animals. I mean, they have no birds, they're just basically this little animal here. Okay, but it's cute, kids love it, and the furniture are cool, and the fish tank I loved so much. So there's like little games you can play with and walk your dogs. And that mouse too, you can have a mouse now. And who knows, maybe your mouse get bored of you and leave because you left him alone for so long. They're really cute. Number 8 is going to be the kitchen. Cool kitchen stuff. Well, yeah, I loved it because we all love ice cream. There's different kind of flavors too. And new kitchen sets, as you see, and new clothes, of course. And the flavors, they have like effects to you. So, yeah, you can make your own restaurant, just ice cream restaurant. And it's cute how they react to things when they eat it. Number 9 is going to be this pack, Mostino stuff pack. Well, I loved it a lot because of the new career as you're photographing, basically. New pictures and you can sell them, and yeah, you're a photographer. So it's cool. Number 10 is going to be the laundry day. Well, I don't know. It's cool. It's okay. You have to clean your own clothes even in the game, huh? And wash them clean and fresh air. And also you can do it outside too if you like. The old style. It's a nice pack. New furniture and stuff. Number 11 is going to be fitness. Well, fitness, it's nice too because of this new thing they added. I really like that. It's a climbing thing. It's kind of cool. And, you get new furniture for workout places if you like. New clothes too for working out. So it's nice to see these people, going on and falling. And who does it good. Number 12 is going to be the romantic garden. This is wonderful. They add a lot of new plants and makes you imagine how to make a beautiful garden. I mean, rarely we do that, don't we? So this really made us start to make a beautiful garden like this. It's really helpful for weddings too. In your home, basically. And they had this new thing here that turns you back to a human being, as you see if you're a ghost. So it's fun. And number 13 is going to be the patio one, perfect patio, where there's hot tubs. And yeah, basically outside furniture. That is kind of cool. As you see, new items for outside, and this hot tubs are cool, so try them out. Number 14 is going to be movie Hangout. Yeah, how can we have a nice hangout with your family and friends without watching a cool movie and popcorn? Yeah, new furniture for that and big TVs, and popcorns are delicious, so it's fun. And I love the furniture. You can see that a lot of times. The colors of the furniture and the styles, I love them. It's super adorable. Okay, and then number 15 is going to be the balling night. If you guys like balling, well, this is your pack. The whole pack just for balling. It's fun for, you gather up, you can go do new activities with your family and friends. And it's funny when you see them fall too sometimes. And I love the shining when it's at night. It's so cool how it shines. So these are the new things you get with this pack. Number 16 is going to be the spooky stuff pack. I did love this because of the new clothes, scary things you got. And also this pumpkin. You create pumpkins and stuff, You cut them down and make it as scary as you wish. And then who knows, maybe a ghost will come inside it and creep you out. And they got new food too, creepy food. And new things, items to hang out in your house. Number 17 is going to be Vintage Glamour. This is nice where you can organize yourself. Look at your mirror and put makeup on and look nice. And new stuff, of course. And if you need help cooking or cleaning or fixing things, you can just order the man. He comes right there for you and help you out. I think this is cute for kids too, where they play with makeup. Number 18, our last one, is going to be Luxury Party. So yeah, as the name, for parties. New clothes for parties, new dresses, new items, new things that they use in parties, the tables and things where you can put your food. It's kind of cool. So, yep, that's it. This is the last pack we have, and it's my last one for me. And I hope you guys subscribe and like it. And thank you guys for watching, and leave some comments and tell us what packs you liked. Thank you. See you guys next time.